How to turn off the keyboard key press sound and the keyboard key press vibrate. This is for Tecno Spark phones or Tecno Pova or Tecno Camon. To find these settings, let's just say you're about to start typing and your keyboard pops up like this here. Most Tecno phones will be using Gboard keyboard, so you should have a keyboard that looks like this. Once you see this, tap on the settings toggle right here. Then you're going to see all these settings. Now go to where it says preferences. And in the preferences area, you are going to scroll down until you pass all this here, and you're going to see key tap. So if you don't want any sounds when you're typing, turn this one off. And if you don't want any vibration when you're typing, you can turn this one off. Also, if you do want to keep the vibration, but you don't want it to be that strong, you can leave it on and then tap here, and you can adjust the strength of it. So you can make it middle or a bit on the weaker side, and you are good to go. All right. And of course, you can change these at any given time, like and sub.